Okay, today I'm going to show you guys the quickest and easiest way to remove tape and extensions on yourself at home. I've been doing this for a little bit over a year now. I've never had like any damage to my hair and it's so fast. So first thing that you want to do is brush through the extensions as good as you can, which I already did. You're going to need a few tools for the process. So I have my hairbrush, and then of course you need a clip because we're going to be going section by section through the hair. Most importantly, you need these two products right here. So this is from the brand BIG KIZZY. I have been using them for well over a year now, and this remover has literally saved my hair. So the first one is the Step 1 remover. This is an alcohol-based tape and hair extension remover that neutralizes the adhesive on the tape, so it helps it to just slide out of your hair. And then this is the Step 2 remover. This is to spray on the strand of hair that you just removed the extension from to get any of the buildup or the residue that's left behind. But for me, I like to go in and I spray these on together right on top of the hair extensions. They pop right out, and then if there is any residue, I will go back in with this one. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do. So I just start by feeling where the extensions are and pulling up all of my natural hair. So once I clip everything up, I go back through and brush the extensions because you don't want to try to pry these apart and they're knotted together because you can wind up damaging your extensions. So basically what I'm going to do is use the Step 1 remover. I like to do about 2 or 3 sprays on both sides of the tape, so the top and the bottom, and then I go in and I do this one. So I'm going to show you exactly what I do. So literally it's really just going to be that easy. Take it right off. If you start to pull at the extensions and they're not sliding out, just spray a little bit more. There's a little bit of residue, not much. I'm going to use the Step 2 remover, spray just a little bit. So then I'm just going to go in with my comb and it's going to come right out. So now I'm just going to repeat that whole process going section by section throughout my head. So if you've been on the fence about getting tape and extensions, this is your sign to do it. And I have a discount code for you guys. So all you have to do is go to bigkizzyhair.com and use my code Kasey15. You'll get 15% off your first purchase with them. So you can get the removers or you can do hair extension tape. And then they have a bunch of other wonderful hair care products that are safe for extensions and your natural hair. So you can try them out even if you don't have extensions. So I'm going to go and get the rest of these extensions out, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.